Imagine this, a world where the chase ends, the pursuit ceases, and you simply exist. This may sound like an idyllic fantasy, but what if I told you it's entirely within your grasp? See, we often find ourselves caught in this endless cycle of chase, always reaching out for the next big thing, the next goal, the next dream. But what if we stopped running? What if instead of chasing, we stood still? Running keeps us forever in the pursuit, forever a step behind, forever seeking, constantly striving for more can often leave us feeling unfulfilled and perpetually unsatisfied. The truth we often overlook is that the magic isn't in the chase, it's in the stillness. The real magic begins when we stop, look within, and realize that everything we need, everything we desire, it's already there, inside us, here, now. Not somewhere out there in the future, but right here in the present moment. Once we grasp this, we can begin to appreciate our own inner magic. We can start to see that we don't need to chase after things, dreams, or happiness. It's all already there within us, waiting for us to discover. In summary, the magic begins when we cease the chase and look within. Everything we need and desire is not out there somewhere, but right here within us. Let's take this journey together to stop running and start discovering the magic within. Remember, the real magic lies within you. Embrace it, discover it, live it. That's the real magic. Let's journey towards it together. Join me on this journey, the real magic.